Hello, this is Gary Oakes, and this is an overview for the interface theme for WordPress, the free version. At the top we have a contact area for email and phone number and social media. We have a header, a logo and a menu bar. Beneath this we have what's called a slogan, and beneath this a slider. The slider does seem to go over the text of the front page, so the home page. We have some images and some text, and at the bottom we have a video.
This is a quick tutorial on how to use Animoto.
At the bottom of the page we have three widget areas, footer widget areas, and again the contact details and social media. Scroll up to the top. If we go to another page, we go to the resources page. I have some images here, just an example, but you'll notice now there is a right hand sidebar. The home page and this page do have comments which can be disabled. If we go to the blog, it seems to have the slogan and the slider appearing here. I couldn't seem to prevent this, and this has two posts. If you click on the image, you will then take you to the full length post, and there is a comment section at the bottom. Let's now go behind the scenes in the dashboard and see what we have. So if we now go to Appearance and Customize, we have what is new on Interface Pro. We'll come on to that at the end. Let's have a look at the interface support. So there's some options here regarding support. Site identity. So this is your tagline. We have colors, very limited. The header image, you can have a number of images here. I've got two, and you can randomize these. And we've got the background image. In terms of menus, we only have the primary menu, so it only has one menu. Ignore what you're seeing there. Widgets, we have a 3 in the footer area, and here's a typical example of a widget within it. Static front page, standard functionality for WordPress. The layout options, it's just regarding whether you want it wide, so you can have it wide. I've kept it narrow because it makes the header fit in proportionally. As you can see now, the header goes really wide, and I will show you what this looks like on the full page in a minute. You can have it responsive as well, which is great for mobile devices. And scrolling down we have design options. It's more to do with the logo area. And we have a couple of items in here, and you have CSS as well. So you can customize your theme through CSS if you're an expert in that. And advanced options, not much in here. This is the slogan area. That's the slogan you can see here. So you can play with this. You can move it up and down and change where you'd like it to appear. And now I've made it go below the slider. And the home page, I don't see this, not much on that one. And then if we move to the features, there are two items in here. This is how you operate or control the slider itself, and the number of slides you would like to appear. I've got two showing in here. And if you wish to switch the slider off, you can do that here as well. The last one being the social links and the contact details. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so this is where you put in your phone number and your email address, and the last one being your social links. So anything that has some items in here will show up. As I mentioned earlier, as I change the header to wide, to see what this looks like in the website, and here you have it. So it's really wide. I think it's too wide, well, for this particular header, but you can tailor it to your own needs. But you can have a very wide header. There is a Pro version available, which we'll have a quick look at now. Here it is. So it's Interface Pro. And this is $44 reduced. And again, it's worth going to the site to see what extras you can get by paying $44 for a single site. So leave that with you. So this basically concludes my overview for the interface theme for WordPress, the free version.